Hello, today I'm gonna make vegetarian green curry. I use soy milk for 2 cups or 500 milliliter. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the pot now, and I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of green curry paste. Yeah. So you can use coconut milk. Normally people use coconut milk, but I like to use soy milk instead of coconut milk because it has more protein. Because the reason I'm not gonna use any kind of meat. So with 3 potatoes already peeled and cut in small pieces, about half onion slice, medium size of half onion, and baby carrot. Okay, I'm gonna mix the curry paste until it melts, and I'm gonna add all the veggies to it. Okay, next I'm gonna add onion, and then potato, and then carrot. I'm gonna boil it for about 15 minutes. I close the lid here. After all veggies are cooked, so I'm gonna add salt. I'm gonna use the half teaspoon of salt. And half teaspoon of Dashi, Japanese Dashi that made from fish. Then I'm gonna add fish sauce for 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce. If you are not a vegetarian, you can add any kind of meat like beef, pork, or chicken, or seafood. Today I'm gonna use my salmon. I like to eat salmon, so I'm gonna make a salmon green curry. While it's boiling, you add any kind of meat to it. Add salmon. Gonna boil it for 5 minutes here. My salmon green curry is ready to serve. Gonna put the rice on the plate now. Okay, and I'm gonna put this in the bowl, little bowl here. Okay, this is my salmon green curry, and I have a mint from my garden. Okay, I hope you try to make it at home. It looks good and it tastes good too. Okay, thank you for watching.